Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Nissan Pathfinder Headlight full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal immediately. Use safety glasses and gloves, and gather basic tools like a ratchet, screwdrivers, and replacement bulbs. Working methodically keeps the process simple and safe, and I will walk you through each step in plain language so you can follow along easily. Next, remove the old headlight assembly by first taking off any trim or covers blocking access. Unfasten the plastic clips and screws, then remove the mounting bolts holding the headlight in place. Carefully unplug the wiring harness by pressing the release tab and pulling straight out to avoid damaging connectors. Gently wiggle and slide the assembly out of the fender, taking care not to scratch paint or strain the wiring during extraction. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep lunches secure after long shop days. They stack well and seal tightly for mess-free transport. I find them great for taking a healthy meal to the garage between steps. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. Install the new headlight by positioning the assembly into the fender and reinstalling the mounting bolts and clips securely. Reconnect the wiring harness, then test low beam, high beam, and turn signals to confirm electrical function. Use the adjustment screws to align the beam per the vehicle manual for safe night driving. Finally, replace any trim or covers and reconnect the battery, double-checking all fasteners for tightness before taking the car on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.